Jazmine Tania. If you are new to my channel, if you're new watching this video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I'm lit, I'm it, and that's just that, period. And if you're back, welcome back. Today, I already opened it, but I got this fat box. It's huge, and today I am going to be reviewing these puff cigarettes. These puff cigarettes, they look real. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing them and see if it really work. And if it work, I'll drop the link down below, and it's just gonna be that. I bought this pack, came with like 40, so if y'all want some, follow me on Instagram, and my Instagram will be right here. And just DM me, I'll give them to y'all. I'm gonna sell them for like $10, $5. So yeah, probably $5. But okay, here goes nothing. Okay, y'all, do y'all think it's gonna really blow out cigarette smoke? Well, not cigarette smoke, but smoke. Don't smoke cigarettes, it's bad for y'all. This is only for prank purposes only. This is the cigarette, y'all. It already got the ash on there. That's crazy. It look real. Okay, y'all ready for me to blow it? I'm about to blow it in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it blew. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way. I'm about to blow it again in 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm gonna get closer so y'all can see, cause it's blowing. This is crazy. It's hard because I got this lipstick on, but yeah, this is crazy. I can see myself using this in a prank. So yeah, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you're new to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe, join the gang. I'm lit, I'm it, like I'm telling y'all. So yeah, y'all like my necklace? It says baby girl. I sell these too, so if you want one, I'm only selling these for $10, so come get you one, period. Okay, this is crazy, and it's still blowing. I don't know what's on here. It look like little dust, but look, this is it. Okay, but that's enough. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you're thinking about getting this. I'm gonna drop the link down below, but like I said, I am going to be selling it because I got like a lot of them. I think I got like 40. So yeah, 40 packs of 3, and I'm only going to be selling them for $5. So come get you some, period. Oh, and don't smoke, y'all. Smoking is bad. I wouldn't encourage it. So smoking gives you cancer. This is fake. Don't smoke, okay, y'all? Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'm out for real this time. Bye.